Plan this year, okay? In these 12 months, what you will do every day, you will do meditation at least once in every 4 months, 3 months. We'll take some time off and do deeper meditation, go into silence. Meditation. Once a year, must meditate in silence. Yeah? And spend some time in doing some good work for everybody in the planet, right? Not think only about yourself, but do some service activity. And then what you want for yourself, you ask, that will come to you. Yeah? You have to do something, then you ask, then you will get it. If you say, only I want for myself, no. You should do something good. Gain some merit. Do some good work for society. Bring smiles on the face of people. If you bring smile on others' face, then you have a right to demand something for yourself. You see what I'm saying? So that is the currency. See, if you have money, then you can go for shopping. You have no money, no credit card, you go to shopping, who will give you what? Right? You should have some bank balance, right? So when you do seva, your bank balance goes up. Your seva points goes up. Then you ask whatever you want, you will get it. You can buy the whole supermarket if you have enough points. If you have enough points, you can buy the whole supermarket. So, let us resolve to do something good in the society, number one. And let's have the confidence that whatever is needed to us will come to us, will be given to us. Yeah? Our wish will be definitely granted to us. What? We wish something, it will be granted to us. And then what? Ready to learn new lessons. In life. Ready to learn new lessons in life. And keep the cheer and smile throughout the journey. Got it? We should keep our cheer, our smile, our joy throughout the journey. See, everyone is walking. Some are yelling, crying, and they are walking. Some are smiling and walking. In fact, everybody is on a conveyor belt. The belt is moving. Some are crying, some are laughing. The conveyor belt is anyway moving. So, it is your choice. How do you want to move on this conveyor belt of time? With a smile. Yeah? See, in the car, you have a rear mirror, right? The mirror is there, and the rear mirror is small, no? And the windshield is big. Just imagine if your car's rear mirror is as big as the windshield, and windshield is only this much, what would happen to you? Can you drive? Can you drive a car which has this big mirror and this big windshield? No. Right? Your car can teach you a lesson. What is the lesson? You need to look back, but how much? Only like that little mirror, the past. And the present is the windshield. And the future is like the side window. Side mirror. When you drive, you have to look to the side also, back also, but most of the time in the front. So, the past will give you lesson, future is the side mirror. Sometimes you have to look there. You can't only keep looking at the side mirror and drive. You'll make accident. So you should look front, but sometimes look at the mirror and that mirror and this mirror. Past and future, but in the present. What do you think? What do you say? Okay. Time has come, voices of sattvic people, good people will become stronger now. You know, all those people who are doing bad things, they will come to light, their mind will change. Wave of spirituality will start transforming people. This is going to happen this way. This year, next year, this wave will be much more predominant. That people wake up and those people who are cheating others, they will all come down from their seats, their powers, and then they will be exposed. That will happen. People who are cheating others, exposed. So, good times are there in the front. So this is good enough message for you today.